In this video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your live character in Ibis Paint X. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Ibis Paint X is a wonderful tool to edit your gacha characters. You can either draw one from scratch based on a screenshot or picture that you took, or you can edit a pre-existing one. So all that you have to do is first take the needed screenshots. If you would like to draw your character using reference, go into the app and you will be able to take screenshots. You can hide specific body parts if you only want to have, for example, the torso, the head, and other parts to take pictures individually, or you can screenshot all of them, whatever you prefer to do. Once you open Ibis Paint X, you can create a new template. Once you have a blank canvas like this, first, if you would like to load up a reference picture, open the media by tapping on this icon at the top right corner of the screen. Inside of the media, you will see all of your pictures. You will see folders like screenshots, downloads, and so on, and you can open a specific screenshot that you took of your gacha character. Once you load it in, you can set it off to the side to use this reference. And of course, if you want to draw from scratch, you will primarily be using the brush. So you can change your brush according to your preferences, however you like, and you can start drawing. Of course, for a video of this length, I cannot show you this process in full. It is a skill that is going to take time until you are satisfied, but by using references and going slowly, you will be able to draw your character from scratch in Ibis Paint X or any other tools and bring it to life. You can draw it in all sorts of poses, situations, and so on. Like I said, I recommend using reference if this is the first time that you are doing this, and eventually you will be able to draw from memory or without using a reference picture on the side. It is a wonderful tool to draw, to make edits, and so on. I apologize for not going in depth about this, but like I said before, this video is just a basic instruction guide, so use Ibis Paint X alongside any other tool of your preferences. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.